This is the video for routine 103 for the word 7 game. I've highlighted in green here the part of the routine that is about selecting the active letter in the green box. It sets the value of T for tall to 140, W wide to 733, X and Y to 142.50, the color to 292, that's the green color, and does a rectangle fill for that box, and then it says that box is clickable, and it's click number 3, and the very next thing it says, did 3 get clicked? And it says if not, go to DC, which is down here. Otherwise, it's going to do the mat instruction to find out which of the 7 was clicked. And it's going to put the answer in active letter. Then it comes down here, sets tall to 140, X to 148, and says if the active letter is 99, go to DE. Well, that means there isn't an active letter. And then it sets TS to 140, W to 105, I to 104. That's how wide each letter is. Then it multiplies it by the active letter to get the offset to where the active letter is. Then it adds that to the base value of X, sets the color to black, sets the quill to 4, and then it says rectangle draw. Well, let's go see what happens here. First, it made the green box, and then it marked the K as the active letter by drawing the box around it. Now I've highlighted some more instructions from routine 103. Starts out by setting Y to 221, X to 142, and Y to 733. Sets the color to a light blue, does a rectangle fill, and then it immediately says that rectangle is clickable and it's number 4, and then it immediately checks, did 4 get clicked? And it says if not, go to DN, which is down here, but if it has to do these instructions. It says for I0 to next I6. If what is in that location is not the active letter, we just go to DG. But if it is the active letter, we then erase it by setting the index there to 99. In other words, if this letter was used somewhere else, it now needs to be taken away from there. Well, once it checks that, it then says, but the kth position then would have the active letter placed in it. Remember, K is which one was clicked on. Well, then after that, it fills all 7 positions of test word with blanks. ASCII 32. Then it goes around a loop for I of 0 to 6. Well, in this case, it's going to be for all 7 letters. And it says, if the from index is greater than 6, like 99, no letter is going to be placed there. But if it's one of the 7, it does go ahead and say set J to the from index of I and move that mixed word letter to the test word. Now I'm going back to the program to show you here this K was made active, and here's the blue box that it made, and it says now if I click down here, it can put the K down there. So I'll click here, and there's the K. So this is what has been happening in that part of the routine. Now I'm going to go back to the program. This is the last part of routine 103. It sets X to 142, Y to 360, T for tall to 30, and Y to 733. Color to black, makes the rectangle. Then it boxes that rectangle and calls it number 5. Here it asks, has number 5 been clicked? If not, go to DP, and then it goes home from this routine. Otherwise, it uses the mat instruction to find out which one of the 7 was clicked. And if whichever one was clicked, it's going to set it to 99, meaning it's no longer there. Well, we'll go back again to the program. This is the black box down here, and if I click underneath the K, it'll take it back away. That's what that part of the routine was doing. Well, this is the end of routine 103 for the word 7 game.